So we're at DTW Ignite 2025 in Copenhagen. I'm here with Charles Bligh. He's the CEO of Mycom. So Charles, what does success look like for Mycom?
Well, success for us is delivering the value for the customers. So I'll start off by saying that Mycom is purely a software company. We deliver our software in the cloud on AWS, also bring your own cloud, but very much wanting to be on a SaaS-based platform with AWS. And the success revolves around really three key areas. First of all, reducing cost for our customers, improving their customer experience, be it fixed or mobile customers. And then the third is delivering on return on invested capital. So our software, being strategic software for our customers, hits all three of those in a mixture. So success for us is delivering on those three core priorities for our customers using all the suite of our software.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Now, things are changing fast in this industry. What are the key use cases that your customers are looking for in 2025 and beyond?
Yeah, very much this year, but also on beyond, because it takes time to implement the software and they're very big change projects. But I come back to those three core priorities of cost, experience, and return on invested capital. And the things that we see that customers are really wanting to invest in and that we're investing in is driving autonomous networks. And this is a reality of driving not just from level 2, 1 or 2, where a lot of the customers are today around the world with CSPs, but it's getting into the level 3 and certainly the level 4 and above.
Right.
So for us, it is about driving that autonomous network journey with the customers. It hits cost, it hits customer experience, it hits return on invested capital, and it is very much a strategic investment by the customers. So autonomous networks absolutely is the key focus. And then underpinning that is about data, and is about AI in all its forms of AI, not just generative AI, but rule-based and machine learning AI. But it is delivering on that core promise of autonomous networks.
Okay. Can you tell us about some of the high-profile customer successes that Mycom has had?
Yeah, I mean, we're a global company, so we deal with the global CSPs in all the continents of the world. We deliver fixed line for fixed line customers, for mobile customers, or mobile and fixed. One of our very important customers is Globe Telecom in the Philippines, over 50, 60 million mobile customers and several million fixed. And they take the full suite of our offering. They're very much at the forefront of innovation, of improving cost of running the network, to deliver the best cost structure so they can have the best pricing in the market. Customer experience for them is absolutely a priority, as well as obviously return on capital as well. And they've been, I think, at the forefront of using automation in their network to great effect. We also have carriers in the Middle East who are very innovative on autonomous networks using AI and some of the latest and greatest tools as well. And I'd encourage operators in Europe to maybe take a little bit more risk as well as the Americas as well. But all operators are doing lots of different things. But the ones who are really focused on autonomous networks, the data structures, and practical use cases, the ones who are making these kind of real step change for their customers.
Okay. Now, you've already mentioned that you're working very closely with AWS. Can you tell us about some of the sort of the innovation stories that Mycom and AWS have together for this sector?
I mean, first of all, we're delighted with the AWS partnership. It's been many years that we've been working together. We've got very, very big customers around the world on our cloud platform using AWS. And that is our prime suggestion and recommendation to our customers, because in that environment, it gets the best of our software. I also should say that we're happy with the customer if they want to bring their own cloud and so forth, so we're absolutely happy to do that. But really, to get the best out of our software in AWS deployment works well. We've developed some very specific software and tool sets that optimize the environment so that the TCO for the customer is the lowest that it can be as well. So, and we're getting great interest for new customers coming onto the platform as well. So we very much value the AWS relationship. It is both at a technical, commercial and strategic level, and we definitely want to expand on that going forward.
Okay. And how do you see the collaboration with AWS moving forward in terms of what it can do for network operators for their network and business development in the future?
Yeah. So, I mean, our software works at massive scale. Some of our largest customers have hundreds of millions of subscribers around the world. We also have some with a few million as well. So scale is important, and the AWS platform and infrastructure for us allows us to drive that scale in the operations. But it also comes with the attribute of flexibility. So we value the innovation that AWS are bringing with not just the infrastructure but the things around it. And then what we're doing is we're taking that and integrating our software with it that can provide that amazing TCO with scale at the flexibility that the customer wants as well. And so if we innovate together, we can deliver something amazing for our customers.
Okay, and I'm sure there's plenty that we don't know about now that will come up in 2026 and 2027, and I guess you'll be able to take advantage of those opportunities in the future as well.
Yeah, I mean, AWS is very innovative, right? I mean, Mycom, we're an innovation-based company. That is actually the DNA of what we do. And so, but we're also, I think, rooted in practical delivery. So it's when innovation hits practical delivery to deliver on what I described: cost, experience, return on all the investments, the billions of dollars that customers have put in. That's where the magic happens as well. So innovation's at the core. It's a bit of a buzzword, but AWS do it. And we do it, and that's what we need to keep on delivering on for customers.
Okay, well, it sounds like a great collaboration. Charles, thanks so much for talking to us today about how Mycom and AWS are working together.
Thanks for your time. Thank you.